Welcome into another woolly review. Today I'm going to do the Robin double knit. Now this is only a 25-gram ball. The cheapest place that I found this was 79p on Wool Warehouse website. They are saying it's 100% acrylic, approximately 75 meters or 82 yards, and to use a needle size 4. Let's go with the hook size as well. Hook 4, okay. So we're not here to judge the colour. I've bought this deliberately for a project. How it feels like yarn. It feels like yarn. There's nothing, it's not overly soft. It's lovely and squidgy, yes. It's not overly soft to feel. If I were blindly feeling it, I'd turn around and say, yeah, that's a pretty cheap wool. But 79p on Wool Warehouse at the has the cheapest price. Now I'm going to give it a little swatch up and see how it works. I've never used this before, but I did have it in a giveaway fairly recently, and I thought I want to try that, so I grabbed some for my special project. I mean, it's not a special project, but 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, I was one off. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and do single crochet for one row, half double for one row, and then double for one row before repeating and then frogging. So feeling it, it's actually feeling quite light and airy. I certainly wouldn't say it feels rough. Whoops, don't even know where I'm going. You go on there. There you go. It feels like I can hear the fibres on my hook. I'm sure those of you that are used to crocheting know what I mean by that. Or maybe you don't, I don't know. We're not here to judge how badly I crochet. We're here literally for the review. But yeah, I can hear it on the hook and I can feel it on the hook, but it doesn't feel too bad to work with it. Like I said, it feels fairly airy. I mean, thankfully what I'm intending to use it for is a little project, hence why I only needed a little bit of wool. Didn't need anything massive, so there was no point buying a massive ball of anything. So this came in handy for that specific reason. There's no stretch to it. Oh my gosh, can't get through. There we go. I kind of I don't know why, I semi-expected this to be a little bit splitty. Well, it definitely hasn't done yet. How it's going to do in the frog test, that will be interesting. We have yet to find that one out. And yes, I am using my custom-made hook, made by Jelena at Cutlery Designs on Etsy. Her details are linked down below. Underneath the information about my hanky markers, my HanKeys and scrunchies, which are all on sale at the moment. You can save some money by buying them through September while I'm having a back to school sale. But Miss Jelena is underneath that information. Right, I'm going to do one more row of singles. All the single stitches, all the single stitches, all the single stitches. No? Okay, on my own. I know. I mean, it doesn't feel too bad while I'm holding it on the working process, or in the working process, sorry. I mean, it's not bad. It's not bad. Exactly how many ladybirds out of 5? I'm not entirely sure. By the way, if there's anybody that knows how I can have this system, but you know, with a more permanent thing, like I don't know, I'm stuck, like a way to work it into wood or something, you know, a company or somebody that would be able to manufacture that. I am looking for a more permanent thing because I kind of like this scoring system, but with paper, it just, I need to go up in the world, guys. I need to go up in the world. And so do my ladybirds. And look at me, I'm missing stitches. But like I said, we're not here to judge my bad crochet. I haven't been doing the edges on this, but that's okay. We're just working up a small swatch to see what it looks like and to see how well it frogs. I've got to say, I don't think I would want to use this for too long because I'm already feeling a little bit yuck. I don't know how to explain that. Like, I'm not really liking the feel of it in my fingers. It just feels a little bit ick. It's the best way I can describe it. Ick. So there we are. I don't think it's too bad for the skin. I mean, I wouldn't want it next to my skin, but something like a cardigan or a jumper where you've got a top underneath, I don't think it'll be too bad. Like I said, it's not overly soft even when it's worked up, but let's do a small frog of the bad crochet. Small frog and big frog. Quick, 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 quick. I'm in a haste. I don't do slow frogging. Get out of there. Get out, get out, get out, get out. Well, it did better in the frogging than I expected. And with not too bad kinkage. Kinkage being a bad thing because it wears down the fibres of the wool that you're using. It stretches them. It deteriorates them. So, Robin DK, what am I going to give you? Would I turn my back on you and say, to heck, go away, go away? Well, no, I wouldn't. Would I be quite annoyed if that's the only thing in the shop and I have to have something desperately? No. Would I be, oh, that's on my top 5. Oh, I'm glad you've got that. You haven't got the others? Oh, okay, then I'll take it. No, I'm going to go back half. I'm only going to give Robin Double Knit a 2.5. It feels cheap and cheerful. Well, maybe just the cheap side. It doesn't feel overly brilliant. It's not uberly soft. It's just yarn. That's what it is. Anyway, that's the review for my the Robin double knit for today. 2.5 ladybirds. If this review is any use to you whatsoever, please give a thumbs up, and maybe you're willing to press that subscribe button if you want to, and come back for the next review next week. What could it be next week? Well, I don't know. We'll have a look. But anyway, until next time, take care. Bye-bye.